Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you could set up Windows 11 in an SD card and use it for installation. To do that, simply open your browser, type download Windows 11 and hit enter. We will look for the official website of Windows 11, so scroll down, and once you find the result download Windows 11 www.microsoft.com, click on it. The next step, once we are on the official website, you will find the link in the video description. Scroll down and select Creating Windows Installation Media and click on Download. Windows will ask you if you really want to download that file. Just click Yes to download it. I have it already downloaded, so I will go to my download file and we will click on this downloaded software. It's a very small one. It's 9 kilo octet or kilobyte, and it should be very light. So we'll click on it to start. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just click yes. The Windows logo will appear, and then Windows will start getting a few things ready. Next step, scroll down to the bottom after reading the license term and click accept. Make sure that your SD card is connected to your PC or laptop. Next step, you can always download for the current computer, as Windows will detect the settings automatically and give you the exact language, and the edition will be Windows 11. Or if you want another language, and use the recommended options for this PC and change the language as you want. Once done, click next. And here, don't worry, just select USB flash drive. It works the same as for USB flash drive and as for SD card, and click next. Choose the exact SD card which you have plugged. I have this one already plugged, and I will click next. You will need to wait a few seconds, a few minutes even, until the download and the setup is over, and you will be able to see the Windows files in your SD card ready. I will pause the video here and we will take back once it's over, as at this stage there is nothing which we will click. So as you can see, guys, our process is over and our device is ready to be used. As a next step, we'll just click finish. And it usually doesn't take more than a few seconds. It's over. Let's open our PC shortcut and let's go to our USB. Here we have it. It might be your SD card or it might be a USB flash drive. It doesn't matter. For any of them, it should be working. So here I have my Windows 11 ready to install. You can double click on that and Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can click yes. And you can check, just to check if the process will start. You can cancel at any time. Now that, as I can see, it's running fine. And my installation device or my bootable USB or my installation SD or USB flash drive is ready. Name it as you like. You can always check. And we can just click next and go ahead. And I will just stop at this stage. So at this stage, my USB is ready to be used. And regardless if it's an USB or an SD card, now the Windows 11 has been set up in it. And if we proceed now, we'll proceed with installation of Windows 11, which I don't want to do. If you want to proceed, you can. I'll just click decline at this level and click close. Now the device is ready to be used at any time, and you can use it for installing or formatting your computer. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.